Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install the Cider application on your Android device. To download and install Cider app on your Android device is super easy. First of all, make sure to open up Google Play Store on your Android. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection connected to your device and then tap the search icon at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Cider. Look for this Cider clothing and fashion application from Cider Global and tap on the install button to start the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes until the app gets downloaded. If you have a stable and fast internet connection, the application will be downloaded immediately. And just like that, you've successfully installed Cider application on your Android phone. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to see the Cider app in the app shortcut, and that's how you can easily download and install Cider application on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.